In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Dr. Squatch coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Dr. Squatch coupon code. Right here, scroll down and go to this website which is called coupons. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and some deals that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say for example right here that you want to get this one with $15 discount on any product. So all you need to do right here is just select this button where it says see coupon. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply copy this one from this button right here. And you can use this promo code so that you can get a $15 discount on your next purchase. Going back to the main search right here, we also have this website which is called Stuff Coupons. And right here, we also have some promo codes as you can see that we can use to get some discount. So let's say, for example, right here that you would like to get this one with 10% discount. So all you need to do right here is just select this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. So all you have to do is just select this button where it says copy code. And you can copy this promo code and use it on your next purchase so that you can get a 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.